Hey there, I'm Ken. This is CRT. Welcome to the CocoTalk Game On Challenge of the Week for the week of April the 26th, 2021. This week we are playing Donut Dilemma, but we're not playing Donut Dilemma from 1986. We are playing the Coco 3 version, which was updated in 2019 by Nick Marentes. So, if you have not played this game before, you are in a donut factory, and you have to pick up those flashing dots. The little cylinder there is a bag of dough that then gives you shots that you can throw at the donuts to destroy them. Now, I am playing this on my computer at work with the emulator because you need to be able to jump and to throw. So there's two buttons you have to use, and if you're using the Black Beauty joystick on the original, on a Coco 3, then you have to use the fire button to jump, and the spacebar on the keyboard allows you to throw. And I tried doing that, and yeah, I was not very good at it. My timing was off there. So in this one, obviously you have to not only collect things, but you also have to avoid the little machine that is shooting things at you. Now, this game is available for download on Nick's website. So if you want to download this game, you can just go to Nicholas Marentes, and yeah, it's in there for download. This was a game that he originally released back in the early 80s, so, and has updated it for the Coco 3. Both versions are available for download if you don't have a Coco 3. Yeah, when I tried playing this at home, I just was not very good at it. I died far too much trying to use the spacebar to fire. Half the time I'd walk off the edge of a platform or something when I was trying to fire, so I just find it's a lot easier to use my emulator with a minimum of 2-button joystick. And here you have to avoid the icing sugar because it will kill you like that. As is so common in many of these older games like this, this game is completely unforgiving. Aha, I got through the icing sugar. Oop. Not done yet. There we go. And once you've collected all the dots on the screen, obviously you have to go and get on the little elevator to the next level. So here you got to avoid having things dropped on your head. Oh, darn it. I have not yet successfully passed this level, so this might be as far as you see me get. This game does have, I believe, 10 levels. And as far as I can tell, the shooting at the top is completely random, so... Yep, burning through my lives pretty good here. At least when you get over to the side, you can hide. Now here is the... Oh, darn it! Little slip of the finger. That was as far... I've never made it past that top row, so... Maybe this will be the time. I'm gonna do it! Ooh, I almost walked off the edge there. That would have been embarrassing. Okay, what am I doing here? I do not know. Obviously, I probably have to just get onto the platform there. And I wasted a bullet. Ah, I should have shot first. Well, there we go. That's actually the highest I've ever got. 8,230. Hey, look, I beat Nick Marentas. Okay, well, let's try that again. It is quite an addicting little game. And a very interesting concept. I am quite enjoying this, actually. Nick very rarely disappoints with his games. As a matter of fact, I cannot think of one that I haven't enjoyed immensely, so I do have to say that, yeah, I recommend his games. And Nick, just get a hold of me to send me my money for saying that. Actually, no, seriously though, I really do enjoy his games. I wasted my time looking at the timer. Now I'm almost out. By the way, in case you hadn't noticed, there is a timer at the bottom, so make sure that that does not reach 0, because if it does, you die. Aha! Through the icing sugar falls. Die, donuts, die! Striking a blow for diabetes everywhere. It's interesting, when you start the level, you're at the far end of the bottom of the screen. But if you die, you reform in the middle of the bottom level. Oh. See? Like that. And I have died many times on this screen, so I know that. I noticed that. Now to concentrate. Look what happens when I concentrate. I die. Okay, let's see if I can at least get up to the top of this level. Oh, darn it. Ah, the sky is falling. There we go. This time I made it with a few extra men. Alright. And one thing that is a little harder on this level is your guy does not move with the platform. So that is the tricky part. Ah, darn it, I didn't jump sideways. At least I killed that donut this time. I will get past this level. Here we go. Yay! Wow. Spikes. Okay. Ah! Again, starting in the center of the screen. Oh boy, the timing is really tough on this one. Ah. Well, that didn't work out as well as I had hoped. Well, there we go. That is Donut Dilemma by Nick Marentes. If you like watching me play these games on my color computer, then I do have a whole playlist of them that you can check out. They're all the CocoTalk Game On challenges of the week for the past few months. And also, if you enjoy watching other retro videos, you can check out my other videos on my channel. And if you enjoyed this, you can give this video a like, maybe comment below, or subscribe to my channel. But I am going to post my score of 96.90 and Yeah, see you next time.